Good day everyone. Ako po si Sardan, isang DepEd Math teacher. Welcome po sa ating math classroom. Pag-uusapan po natin ngayong araw ay tungkol sa perimeter. Simulan na natin. Okay, so ang perimeter, that is the total distance around a figure. Okay, sa ating flat figure, susukatin lang natin gaano kahaba ang ating mga haba ng ating mga sides ng ating figure. Simulan natin sa example number 1. So dito, pag total lang natin, so pag sinabi natin total, we're using the process of addition. I-add lang natin ang all the sides ng ating shape. Okay, simulan natin dito. So perimeter is 6 plus 18 plus 15 plus 4. So add lang natin lahat ng ating mga sides. That is now our perimeter. So we have 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 18, that is 28. 28 plus 15, that is 43. So ang ating perimeter dito ay 43 centimeter. So ganun lang. This is a square. Okay? Sample number 2, this is a square. So ibig sabihin nito, all sides are equal. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So pwede tayong gumamit dito ng addition. Okay? Pwede tayong addition, or dahil ito naman ay para-parehas na 4 side na 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, or pwede natin sabihin na yan na 6 times 4. Okay? So the answer is 24. Ilagay natin ang unit na inches. That is our perimeter sa ating example number 2. Okay? Madali lang. Okay, let's proceed to example number 3. So an example number 3 natin, it is a rectangle. So ang rectangle, two sides are equal. So this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal also to this side. So ibig sabihin, ang ating magiging formula dito is 2.5 plus another 2.5 plus 12 plus 12. So, add lang natin yung ating 4 sides ng ating rectangle. So, 2.5 plus 2.5, the answer is 5. And 12 plus 12, that is 24 plus 5, that is 29 millimeter. Okay, so that is our perimeter for example number 3. Okay, so far, kung may tanong, paki-comment po sa ating comment box sa baba. Okay, let's proceed to example number 4. In our example number 4, this is a irregular figure. So, we just add all the sides to get the total distance around our figure. So, the perimeter. So, perimeter is, add lang natin, simulan natin dito. We have 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 and plus 6. So pagsama-samahin lang natin. So this is 10, this is 11, this is another 11, and this one is 8. Okay, so this is 22 plus 8, 30 plus 10. So, that is 40. So, ating perimeter dito sa example number 4 is 40 meter. Okay? So, ganun kadali ang ating finding the perimeter. So, our last example here, this is a pentagon with all sides are equal. So, this is regular pentagon. So, this side is the same at this side. Okay, so there we have 2.3 plus 2.3 plus 2.3 plus 2.3 plus 2.3, or we can say that na para-parehas naman yan. So 5 So, 2.3 times 5. Okay, para mabilis. So, we have 5 times 3, that is 15, carry 1, and 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, that is 11. And then, we put the decimal place 1. So, ang ating perimeter dito sa example number 5, that is 11.5 centimeter. Okay, that is how we find the perimeter, just adding all the sides of our figure. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.